Two-sided ruler construction. Draw a line parallel to an existing line through a point not on the line using 3 equally spaced points on the line. So there's my line, and here's the point I want a parallel line through, and this line has 3 points already made that are equally spaced. And give everything names. Q, these are going to be A and B, and the middle point's going to be Y. And draw QA, and then I'm going to draw any point on QA that's not Q or A and join that to B. I'll call that point P. And then I'm going to join P to Y. So now I have 3 lines through P. Now I'm going to do QB. And that's going to meet here in X. And now I'm going to do AX. That's going to meet here in S. And now the parallel line I want is QS. Now you really can choose any point on QA, and it doesn't actually matter which order you put these in. So I'm going to do all 6 so you can see them all, if you want to. So here's Q. I'm going to label them in the other order. So I'm going to join QA. I'm going to pick a point to join to B, and we'll call that P. I'm going to join PY. Then I'm going to join QB to make the point which I'll call X. Then I'll join AX, and that'll be the point S. And then QS is the line I want. Okay, now this time I'll put them back in this order. I'll start with QA like usual. This time I will put my point P between Q and A. I'll still join P to Y. And then I'll do QB. And there's my point X. Whoops. And then I'll do AX. And there's my point S. And the parallel line I want is QS. Right, let's label them the opposite order again. Okay, I'll do QA. And then I'll join B to a point between Q and A this time. Call that P. I'll do P to Y. I'll do QB. Call that point X. I'll do XA. And that point's S. And now the parallel line I want is S. QS. Two to go. I'll put my points back in the original order. I'll do QA. This time I'll join it down here. Maybe I'll make this a bit longer and do it a bit further. Let's call this point P. We'll do PY as usual. We'll do QB. That makes the point X. We'll do AX. That makes the point S. And now the parallel line I want is QS. And one more. Let me put them in the opposite order. Do AB this way. We'll join QA. I really hope I have enough room for this on my piece of paper. Don't think I will, actually. Let's make it a little longer with an extra piece of paper, hey? Right. So there's my point P down there. And now I'll do PY. We'll do QB, and that's my point X. We'll do AX. And that's my point S. And then the line I want is QS. So it really does work no matter how you do it.